All right, so when we're in this clinch fight, we've talked about the pummeling and we've talked about getting control of a standing opponent. But what happens if you get knocked to the ground? Either you get blindsided, your opponent pushes you to the ground. So the first thing we're going to talk about is how to get back to our feet and ready to fight, ready to continue the fight and get up safely in a technical way. So for this scenario, my opponent knocked me to the ground, so he either pushed me, I fell, and he is still standing where I have enough space to try and get back up. So the first thing I need to do is get to a good defensive position. So what that's going to look like, I'm going to put my lead hand or my lead foot forward. I'm going to prop it up like this and use my lead hand, this would be my jab hand, to protect my face. My opposite hand is going to come back behind me and post on the mat. This leg is going to stay flat, and now I can move on my foot and my hand to face my opponent. So as he moves, I stay light, I can move forward, I can move backward, I can even kick at this exposed leg if I want to create space. Now when I'm ready to stand up, I'm going to stand in base. So what that means is I'm going to stand up in a manner where I'm still stable and it's hard for him to knock me over. So as I do this, I'm going to post on this hand and my posted foot. When I do this, I'm going to step up, then my foot becomes light, and step my foot back behind my hand and get up ready to engage. So one more time. From my defensive position, posted hand, posted foot. Foot slides back, steps back between this window, all the way behind my hand. Key detail, foot is all the way behind my hand so that I can push off of it into my opponent. That's basic stand in base when I have space to get back up.